Good morning, everyone. As the sun rises over our bustling cities, we find ourselves at the start of another day filled with both challenges and opportunities. It's August 22nd, 2025, and the weather across the United States is anything but ordinary. Today, the skies are painting a dramatic picture, with weather patterns that are as diverse as they are intense. From record-breaking heat in the west, to severe storms in the plains, to a hurricane stirring up the East Coast, millions are facing extreme conditions. These events are not just statistics, they are impacting lives, communities, and the environment. The West and Southwest are enduring dangerously high temperatures, with thermometers soaring to unprecedented levels. Meanwhile, the northern plains brace for powerful storms that threaten to disrupt daily life and agriculture. Offshore, Hurricane Erin is sending dangerous waves and rip currents to the Atlantic beaches. Coastal communities are on high alert, with lifeguards and emergency services working tirelessly to ensure safety. These events show just how varied and intense our weather can be. The dynamic nature of our atmosphere is on full display, reminding us of the power and unpredictability of nature. Why such extremes? It's all about massive atmospheric patterns, hot, cold, wet, and dry air colliding in dramatic ways. These interactions create the perfect storm for extreme weather events. Today we'll break down what's happening, why it matters, and how you can stay safe. Understanding these patterns is crucial for preparation and response. Whether you're facing heat, storms, or surf, preparation is key. From filling sandbags to applying sunscreen, every action counts in safeguarding yourself and your loved ones. Let's dive into today's wild weather and help you get ready for whatever comes your way. Knowledge and preparation are your best defenses against the elements. Stay alert. Mother Nature is putting on quite a show. As we navigate these challenges, remember to stay informed and stay safe. Out west, the story is relentless heat. Cities like Phoenix and Las Vegas are seeing temperatures soar above 110 degrees Fahrenheit, and even cooler regions are sweltering. This isn't a quick heat wave, it's a prolonged, dangerous event straining people, power grids, and water supplies. Vulnerable groups, children, the elderly, those with health issues, and outdoor workers are at highest risk. Urban areas trap heat, making nights barely cooler. The culprit? A massive high-pressure heat dome parked over the region, trapping hot air and baking the ground day after day. The result: wildfire risk skyrockets, power demand surges, and water resources are stretched thin. This heat wave is a major event, demanding caution and preparedness from everyone in the West. Stay cool, stay hydrated, and look out for one another. In the northern plains, a different threat looms: severe thunderstorms. States like North Dakota, South Dakota, Nebraska, and Minnesota are the battleground for clashing air masses. Expect large hail, damaging winds, and even a few tornadoes as storms erupt this afternoon and evening. Warm, humid air from the Gulf meets a strong jet stream, fueling explosive storm development. Storms can form quickly, so have a way to get alerts and know your safe place before skies turn dark. Secure loose outdoor items and stay indoors if you hear thunder. The setup is classic for late summer and the risks are real. Respect the power of the sky. Be ready to act fast. Safety starts with staying informed and having a plan. On the East Coast, Hurricane Erin is making waves, literally. While Erin stays offshore, its power is felt from the Carolinas to New England. Massive swells and dangerous rip currents are hitting beaches, even under sunny skies. Rip currents are the top danger for swimmers, strong enough to pull anyone out to sea. Minor coastal flooding and beach erosion are possible, especially during high tide. Some gusty winds and rain bands may brush the coast, but the main threat is in the water. Always check surf advisories and obey lifeguard warnings. Red flags mean stay out. Even wading can be risky when rip currents are strong. Erin's distant power is a reminder: the ocean demands respect, even from afar. Stay safe by staying out of the water when warnings are up. Let's break down the science behind today's extremes. Weather phenomena are complex, yet fascinating, and understanding them is crucial for our safety and preparedness. Out west, a heat dome, high-pressure trapping hot air, acts like a lid, baking the region day after day. This persistent heat can lead to droughts, wildfires, and health risks, affecting millions. In the plains, severe storms are fueled by warm, moist air colliding with a strong jet stream. This interaction is a recipe for intense weather, often catching communities off guard. The jet stream provides lift and wind shear, turning ordinary storms into supercells capable of hail, damaging winds and tornadoes. These supercells are nature's most powerful storms, capable of causing widespread destruction. Thunderstorms are like engines. Warm air rises, cools, and releases energy, building powerful updrafts. This process is a cycle of energy transfer, creating the dramatic weather we often witness. Wind shear from the jet stream can make these storms rotate, increasing their danger. Rotating storms are more likely to produce tornadoes, making them particularly hazardous. Meanwhile, hurricanes like Erin transfer energy from wind to water, creating swells that travel thousands of miles. These swells can impact coastlines far from the storm's center, demonstrating the far-reaching effects of hurricanes. That's why distant storms can make local beaches hazardous. Even when the storm is far away, its energy can create dangerous conditions for swimmers and surfers. Even when skies are blue, the ocean can be dangerous thanks to energy sent from far-off hurricanes. It's a reminder of the interconnectedness of our planet's weather systems. Understanding these patterns helps us prepare and stay safe. By staying informed, we can take proactive steps to protect ourselves and our communities. Weather science is our best tool for making smart decisions. It empowers us to anticipate and respond to the challenges posed by extreme weather, ensuring a safer future for all. Now let's talk about staying safe when the weather turns extreme. Whether you're facing scorching heat, powerful storms, or unpredictable surf, a little preparation goes a long way. In the West, summer heat can be relentless. Beat the heat by drinking plenty of water throughout the day, even if you don't feel thirsty. Avoid alcohol and caffeine as they can dehydrate you faster. Whenever possible, spend time in air-conditioned spaces like libraries, malls, or community centers. If you don't have air conditioning at home, consider visiting a cooling center during the hottest hours. Never leave children or pets in parked cars, even for a few minutes. The temperature inside can rise dangerously fast. Check on elderly neighbors or anyone who might need extra help during heat waves. Make sure everyone in your community is safe and comfortable. In the plains, severe storms can develop quickly. Always have a reliable way to receive weather alerts, like a smartphone app or weather radio. Know your shelter spot in advance, ideally a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor, away from windows and exterior walls. If you live in a mobile home or are caught in your car when a storm is coming, get to a sturdy building as soon as possible. Mobile homes and vehicles offer little protection from high winds and flying debris. Along the East Coast, the ocean can be both beautiful and dangerous. Always respect beach warning signs and flags. Stay out of the water during rip current warnings, and only swim in areas where lifeguards are present. Lifeguards are trained to spot hazards and can help keep you safe. If you ever find yourself caught in a rip current, don't panic. Stay calm, float on your back to conserve energy, and swim parallel to the shore until you're out of the current. Then, head back to the beach at an angle. Even if you're just relaxing on the sand, keep an eye out for large waves that can appear suddenly and sweep people off their feet. Always supervise children closely near the water's edge. No matter where you live, it's important to have a family communication plan. Make sure everyone knows how to reach each other in an emergency. Assemble a basic emergency kit with water, non-perishable food, flashlights, batteries, and any necessary medications. Remember, being prepared gives you confidence and peace of mind. With the right steps, you and your loved ones can handle whatever nature throws your way, together. Today's weather is a powerful reminder of nature's extremes. From heat domes to severe storms and distant hurricanes, millions are affected. Understanding what's happening and why is our first defense. Weather patterns are interconnected, and as our climate changes, extremes may become more common. Simple safety steps, hydration, shelter, and respecting the ocean can save lives. Preparation is key. Check forecasts, talk to your family, and have a plan before severe weather strikes. Stay aware, listen to local officials, and trust your instincts. If something feels dangerous, it probably is. By staying informed and looking out for each other, we can weather any storm. Stay safe, stay prepared, and stay weather aware.